mensuration. Mensuration means measuring some length, breadth, height of an object or a shape, or calculating perimeter, area or volume of different shapes like triangle, rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus, pentagon, hexagon, etc. So students, in this chapter we will learn how to calculate perimeter and area of different two-dimensional shapes. So first of all, we will understand what is perimeter. Total length of the figure is called perimeter. Means if we have a figure like this, so total length of this figure is known as perimeter. Second definition of perimeter is sum of all sides of a polygon is called perimeter. Suppose we have a pentagon over here and these are the lengths of different sides of this pentagon, and we want to calculate perimeter of this pentagon. So for calculating perimeter of this pentagon, we have to add all these sides. So perimeter will be 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5. Means perimeter of this pentagon will be 18 centimeter. And remember students, unit of perimeter will be the same as the unit of length of sides of the particular figure. Now we will understand what is area. Space occupied by a two-dimensional shape is known as the area of that shape. For example, there is a triangle on the blackboard and this triangle occupies this much region. So this region is area of this triangle. Now we will learn different formulas of calculating area of different shapes. So students, look at some formulas of 2D shapes. This is a rectangle and rectangle has length and breadth. So formula for area of rectangle is length into breadth. This is a square. Square has 4 sides and all the 4 sides are equal. So formula for area of a square is side into side. This is a triangle. Triangle has a base and a height. So formula for area of triangle is 1 upon 2 into base into height. So students, here are some more formulas of area of parallelogram, rhombus and circle. A parallelogram has a base and a height. So formula for area of a parallelogram is base into height. A rhombus has 2 diagonals. This is first diagonal and this one is second diagonal. We can call this diagonal as D1 and this diagonal as D2. So area of rhombus will be 1 upon 2 into D1 into D2. Now students, this is a circle and a circle has a radius. Suppose radius of this circle is r centimeter. So area of circle will be pi r square. So students, now we will solve some problems related to area of different shapes. First example is here. The diagonals of a rhombus are 7.5 cm and 12 cm. Find its area. So students, we have to calculate area of rhombus. What is the formula for area of rhombus? Remember, just recall. Yes, it is area of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into d1 into d2. So how can we solve this problem? First of all, we have to write what is given in the problem. Given that one diagonal of rhombus is equal to d1 is equal to 7.5 centimeter. First diagonal of rhombus is of 7.5 centimeter and second diagonal of rhombus is equal to d2 is equal to 12 centimeter. Now we will apply formula of area of rhombus. Area of rhombus is equal to 1 upon 2 into d1 into d2. In second step, we will substitute the values of d1 and d2. So it will become area is equal to 1 upon 2 into 7.5 centimeter into 12 centimeter. Now we can cancel out this 12 by this 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. So we have left with 7.5 centimeter into 6 centimeter. We will multiply 7.5 and 6. So we will get the product 45. And centimeter into centimeter will become centimeter square. So area of this rhombus will be 45 centimeter square. Remember student, unit of area will be centimeter square. So now students, we will learn how to calculate area of a circle. Our problem is find the area of a circle whose radius is 7 centimeter. So first of all, we have to write what is given to us in the problem. Given that radius of circle is equal to 7 centimeter. We have to calculate area of circle. What is the formula of area of circle? Yes, you are right. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. So in second step, we have to put the values of pi and r. Value of pi is 22 upon 7 and value of r is 7 centimeter. And here there is square of r. So we have to write this 7 once again. So we will get 22 upon 7 into 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter. This 7 will be cancelled out by this 7 and we have 22 into 7 centimeter into 1 centimeter. After multiplying 22 and 7, we will get 154. So area of circle is equal to 154 centimeter square. So students, by using these simple formulas, we can calculate area of different two-dimensional shapes like triangle, rectangle, square, rhombus, parallelogram, square, circle, etc. So students, learn these formulas and practice this type of question.